In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Geometry Dash on Steam. By the end, you'll have the game purchased and installed, ready to play. We'll walk through the process inside the Steam desktop app, but these steps also work on the Steam website with the same labels. First, open Steam. Give it a moment to load your home screen. From here, head to the store. You'll find Store at the top of the app. Click it to open the main storefront. Now, use the search bar in the top right and type Geometry Dash. You should see the game appear in the results. Click the game to open its store page. Take a quick look to confirm you're on the correct title, check the current price, and if you like, scan the description and system requirements. This page is a good place to make sure your computer meets the basics and to see what's included. When you're ready, click Add to Cart. Steam will slide open your cart on the right or take you to the cart screen. There, click Purchase for Myself. This tells Steam you're buying it for your own account rather than as a gift. If you ever wanted to gift it to someone else, there's a separate option, but today we're keeping it simple. Next, choose your payment method. Steam supports common options like major cards, PayPal, and Steam Wallet Balance. Pick the one you prefer and review the order summary so the price, currency, and any applicable taxes look right. Follow the on-screen prompts for your selected method. Keep your billing details accurate so the purchase goes through smoothly. When everything looks good, click Buy. Steam will securely process the payment. You should see a confirmation screen, and the game will be added to your library automatically. You may also receive a receipt by email for your records. Now it's time to install. Click Library at the top of Steam. In the list on the left, find Geometry Dash. If your collection is large, use the search filter at the top of the library to locate it quickly. Click the game, then press Install. Choose your install location if prompted, confirm the space needed, and let Steam download the files. You can watch the progress in the download section at the bottom of the app. Once it finishes, the Install button becomes Play. That's it. Open Steam, go to Store, search Geometry Dash, click the game, add it to your cart, purchase for yourself, choose your payment method, complete the buy, then install from your library. Enjoy your new game and have fun.